So, the sun's going down over the yard arm, and we've got a beer, and it's very warm today, which is nice. But one of the most frustrating jobs on a Land Rover is putting these plastic arches on. These things here, you know, you've seen them, every Land Rover's got one. These are the clips, right? AFU 1075. These are blue box ones. The plastic bag's better than the actual clip, but you can make it better, and you can do it super better and super cheap, because you know, like I don't like spending money. But what you're supposed to do is put these in here, hit this rivet, and it's supposed to go in the hole and open out. So what's the bad side about that? Well, once they're in, well, if you want to get them out again, you have to push them all the way through, and then you lose the little bit at the end here, this little rivet, and then you have to buy some more. Well, that's no good. But a little cheap, if you really want to use that technique, a cheap trick from me is use a pop rivet tang, because they're exactly the same size. There's a cheaty one, but here's something even better. You get hold of a pair of side cutters and pull that piece off. Look, pull it off. You see, it's moulded in one with the hope that when you hit it, it's going to go inside. It never does. That's why you get frustrated. That's why you need some vitamin B. What do I do here? Stainless steel number 6 screws. Now these are a little bit too long, but look at this. And these are a Robertson screw, you know, the square heads, we've mentioned these before. But, see here? You can put them in and out all day long, and if you just get them at the very end, you can pull them out again. Simples. Look, in, out, shake it all about. It's so simple. Why didn't Land Rover put little screws in to get the arches off? Because if you need to do any serious work on your wiring, well, you have to pull the arch off. Look, number 6 screw. That's all it takes. You'll like that one. I bet you will get some good comments off that one. So like, subscribe, and keep following up, because we've got a lot more ticks and trips. I can't even say. I've had too many beers. I'll bugger it. You know what I'm on about. Talk to you later.